Opening shot of colorful graphics and upbeat music. Host. Hey everyone. Today we're diving into the latest track that's got everyone talking, YFN Lucci's Still Waiting. Featuring Young Thug. Clip of the song plays in the background. Host. The collaboration between these two talented artists is pure fire. With catchy beats and smooth vocals that'll have you hitting repeat all day long. Cut to visuals of fans sharing their excitement online. Host. Fans are already buzzing about the killer verses and infectious energy in this track. It's no surprise that Still Waiting is making waves on the charts. Cut to the host nodding along to the music. Host. So, what are you waiting for? Go check out Still Waiting right now and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more trending music updates. Closing shot with a strong call to action. Host. Thanks for watching. And remember to keep the music flowing. See you next time.